Aquarius, hello. Aquarius Sun, Moon at Rising, welcome back sa ating monthly tarot, oracle reading, and tarot reading. For this reading, tingnan natin ang overall message mo for September at kung anong atmosphere ang nakapaligid sa'yo at ang pinaka-dominant theme ng month mo, ha? At kung ano dapat ang maging aware ka habang gumagalaw ang September. So Aquarius, tingnan natin ang unang card mo. Regeneration. Wow. This is interesting card. This is not an energy na pinitik na kailangan mong pilitin na may feeling dito na may isang area ng buhay mo na matagal nang dumadaan sa process of rebuilding, parang may bagay na dati mong pinanghahawakan, pero ngayon iba na ang paraan mo pagtingin dito, no? September feels like month where you're becoming more selective about what you deserve or what deserves your energy.
Channeling your energy. Your soul calls here.
Ayan. At hindi ibig sabihin na lahat kailangan mong iwan ng mas parang may realization na okay, ito pala yung kailangan kong ayusin, ito pala yung kailangan kong alagaan, at ito naman, hindi ko na kailangan paulit-ulit na buhayin. So may strong energy ng renewal experience, hindi ito bigla ang pagbabago overnight, mas gradual, may maturity sa decision mo, and may Aquarius na may sense dito na something you've been through recently or something you've been processing for quite some time, and it's starting to make more sense, ha? Hindi necessarily dahil may external event na mangyayari, but because nag-iiba na yung perspective mo. So for September, ang unang message ng regeneration is what is still worth nurturing and what needs a different approach, no? And yung unang nabunot ko kaninang card is Eight of Pentacles. Because this card will tell you kung saan especially mapupunta ang effort, focus, at consistency mo this September. So bago tayo magsimula, Aquarius, for your overall message ng September, huminga ng malalim, tawagin natin ang iyong mga guardian angels para i-guide tayo sa inyong reading. And takes what resonate and leave what doesn't. At kung may mag-message sa inyo, nagpakilala na ako, nagpapanggap na ako, maging mapanuri mga miha, mga paps. Ayan, nagsianuhan ng card. Oh my God, pantalunan. At ang aking information ay nakapost sa aking description, nakapin comment. Check na lang mga mi. Kayo po unang magme-message sa akin, ha? At simulan natin, Aquarius, ang iyong September reading. Okay, Aquarius, punta na tayo sa ating love and money for September. Since lumabas tong regeneration sa overall energy mo, gusto kong tingnan kung paano siya specifically nagmamanifest sa dalawang area ng buhay mo. Love and money tayo, no? Sa love, Aquarius, may energy dito ng emotional processing at pagre-reassess. Kung may relationship ka ngayon, parang mas magiging aware ka kung ano talaga ang nagbibigay sa'yo ng emotional security at kung ano talaga ang paulit-ulit na nagiging source ng tension. Hindi ito necessarily about ending something, ha? Mas tungkol ito sa pag-intindi kung ano ang kailangang baguhin sa dynamics ninyo para mas maging healthy at sustainable. At possibility din na may isang conversation na matagal nang nasa isip. Hindi naman kailangang dramatic. More on honest communication. Kung ano ang kailangan mo, ano ang kaya mong ibigay, at saan ka may limits. Kung single Aquarius ka, may energy ng pagiging mas mapili, hindi ka basta-basta ma-attract dahil lang sa may attention. Mas titingnan mo ngayon kung consistent ba yung tao, paano siya makitungo sa'yo, at kung aligned ba talaga siya sa'yo. And with the regeneration, may indication ng old emotional patterns are being examined. Parang may lesson from the past na hindi mo gustong ulitin sa bagong connection. And sa money naman, Aquarius, may practical energy dito, may focus sa pag-aayos, pagre-renew at pagiging intentional sa finance. Pwedeng mapansin mo kung saan napupunta ang pera mo at kung alin sa mga gastos ang kailangan mong bawasan o ayusin. And hindi ito energy ng reckless spending, at mas parang kailangan mong magkaroon ng mas malinaw na relationship with money, kung saan ka nag-i-invest ng time, effort, at resources. May potential din na may financial situation na unti-unting nire-rebuild, hindi necessarily instant result to, pero may indication na may foundation kang binubuo. Kaya kung may financial goal ka, mas importante ang consistency kaysa sa paghahanap ng mabilisang result. So overall, Aquarius, sa love and money ng September mo, September asks you to look at what you're building and ask yourself kung healthy ba talaga ang foundation nito. So now, Aquarius, punta naman tayo sa career and health for September. Sa career, mas nakikita ko dito ang energy ng skill, effort, at refinement. Hindi ito month na puro plano lang, may kailangan kang gawin ng paulit-ulit para mas naging solid ang ginagawa mo. Pwedeng may skill kang gustong i-improve, project na kailangan mong tapusin, or isang area sa work na kailangan mong seryosohin ng mas consistent dapat. Ganon. Kung may ginagawa kang content, business, freelancing, sariling project, or regular job, September can bring attention to the details. Yung maliit na bagay na dati mong binabaliwala, organization, quality, timing, consistency, mas magiging important yan sa'yo. So, may possibility din na mapansin mo kung saan ka nag-overwork pero hindi proportional ang return. Kaya hindi lang effort ang lesson dito. Kailangan ding maging strategic. At kung naghahanap ka ng work or considering a career adjustment, don't rush simply because you're impatient with the current situation. Tignan muna kung ano talaga ang skill or direction na gusto mong i-develop. For health, message dito is more about maintenance and awareness. September is a good time to pay attention to your routine, sleep, pagkain, hydration, movement, rest, and stress levels. So may tendency kasi dito na kapag maraming ginagawa, iniuna ang responsibilities bago ang katawan. And sometimes the body tells you first when your routine is no longer sustainable. So observe your energy, Aquarius. Kapag paulit-ulit kang exhausted, don't automatically treat it as something you just have to push through. Mas maganda dito ang consistent, manageable habits kaysa biglang extreme changes. And dahil may regeneration sa overall energy mo, ayan, may thing talaga ng rebuilding, pero rebuilding requires patience. Hindi mo kailangang ayusin lahat ng sabay-sabay. And for career, refine your skills and work smarter. For health, listen to your body and make your routine sustainable. And ngayon naman, specifically tayo sa work, student, and home situation mo, Aquarius. For those working, September's feel like a month na kailangan mong maging mas organized at consistent. May possibility na mas marami kang kailangang asikasuhin kaysa usual, or may responsibility na kailangan mong tutukan ng mabuti. Hindi naman necessarily negative, more like may expectation na naipakita mo kung gaano ka talaga ka-capable. Kung may ginagawa kang sideline na business, freelance work, or sariling project, magandang energy ito para i-improve yung sistema mo. Hindi lang dagdag effort ha, ayusin kung paano mo ginagawa ang trabaho mo para mas sustainable. For student, Aquarius, strong ang energy for focus and practice. Kung may subject exam, thesis, research, training, or skill na nahihirapan ka, hindi ito panahon para agad isipin na hindi mo kaya, okay? Mas lumalabas dito na kailangan mo lang mas consistent na repetition or study routine. Pwedeng may topic na hindi mo agad makuha pero habang binabalikan mo, mas nagiging clear. So, don't underestimate small progress. Yung isang oras na focus study today, kapag naulit ng naulit, malaking difference ang pwedeng gawin. So, ang tanong, may possibility ba na maglipat ng bahay? So yes, may energy dito ng reassessment of your living situation. Pwedeng may Aquarius na talagang nag-iisip lumipat, nagsa-search ng place, nagko-compute ng budget, or may dahilan kung bakit kailangan ng bagong environment. Pero hindi ko siya babasahin na automatic na yes, siguradong lilipat. Kasi mas nakikita ko muna ang planning and consideration stage. Tinitimbang ang location, gastos, convenience, at kung magiging better ba talaga ang situation. At kung may actual opportunity na lumapit, don't decide purely from emotion. Check the practical side carefully. Budget, contract, accessibility, security, at kung sustainable ba siya in a long run, ha? Or sa Aquarius, possible rin na hindi literal na bagong bahay ang immediate focus. Pwedeng rearranging or changing your current space para mas maging functional at comfortable. So overall, September puts attention on work structure, study discipline, and your sense of stability. At dumako naman tayo, Aquarius, ang final message ko for your September reading. Let's look the guidance of the month. Kung may bagay kang ginawa ngayon na parang mabagal ang progress, huwag agad i-measure ang success based sa bilis ng result. May mga bagay na kailangan talagang pagdaanan ng Aquarius. And it's step by step bago makita kung gaano kalayo na pala ang narating mo. So, September is asking you to look at your situation from a different perspective. Baka may isang bagay na dati mong tinitingnan as failure, delay, or disappointment, pero kapag binigyan mo ng ibang angle, may wisdom pala doon na hindi mo agad nakita. And Aquarius, importante rin ang inner strength. Hindi lahat ng sagot ay kailangan manggaling sa ibang tao, ha? May mga decision na ikaw mismo ang makakapagsabi kung tama para sa'yo once you become quiet enough to listen to your own judgment. So if you're currently questioning a decision, don't pressure yourself to have everything figured it out immediately. So pause, reflect, look at what you've already learned. Ayoko mabulot lang sa English, no? Then ask yourself, knowing everything I know now, ano ang pinaka-wise na next step para sa akin? So, kuha tayo ng angel number mo. Aquarius, what's your angel number for September? Good number ba? Uy, 7777 ang iyong angel number, and the message is connected for perseverance. Ayan. So, change of perspective, reflection, inner strength, wisdom, and enlightenment. The message here is to reconsider the way you're looking at whatever has been taking over your thoughts lately. If you want to succeed, there is a need to keep moving forward on the path you've been chosen. Especially if deep inside, alam mo yung value pa rin sa journey na yun. And reach deeper into your own wisdom. Hindi lahat ng next step kailangan mong makita agad. Sometimes, clarity comes after you've reflected. Learn from what happened and trust yourself enough to move. So Aquarius, your September message is keep going but don't keep going blindly, ha? Reflect, learn, adjust your perspective, then continue with greater wisdom. So, ayan ang yung buong September. But mayroon din naman tayong weekly reading. Kung hindi ito magre-resonate, leave it. Pag nag-resonate, take it. 'Di ba? Thank you so much, Aquarius, for spending this time with me and for allowing me to read your September energy. If this reading resonated with you, take what feels right for you and leave what doesn't. Thank you for watching, Aquarius. See you on the next reading. And ang aking infos, nandito lang po ha. Mag-ingat po sa mga poster and fake accounts. Thank you so much, Aquarius.